Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all some of my randomest but amazing Amazon finds. These are some products that you randomly find on Amazon, some of the products that are easily available outside of India, but Amazon is here to help you out. So yeah, now without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to start off with some beauty products that are so easily available outside of India but not in India, but Amazon always helps you out. Something that is really like me stuff, that is this Johnson's Baby's Blossom Baby Powder. I love talcum powder. I think it's one of the most underrated hygiene tips to use a talcum powder. And I used to love the Forest Essentials. I still love the Forest Essentials talcum powder, but they have increased their prices. Like just this much bottle of that Forest Essentials comes for 800 rupees, whereas I got this huge dabba for just 300 rupees. Now you get the regular Johnson's Baby very easily here, but you do not get their lavender one and this blossom one. Like you don't even find the smaller 50-gram one here in India. It's very difficult, very rarely you find. So I found this 500-gram tub on Amazon for just 300 rupees, and it is an imported product. If I'm not wrong, it's from Malaysia. So yeah, I love this so much. It's perfect. It's the best talcum powder. If you are someone who's looking for an amazing hygiene tip, especially a girly living in India, you should get yourself a talcum powder and start using it regularly. You're gonna thank me because you're not gonna sweat like sweat. So yeah, that's there. So this is a huge dabba, and I'm so thankful for Amazon for making sure that this is available. The second beauty find is a deodorant. I love Dove Deo Sticks. I don't know why in India Dove is not getting them. Please do. You can find them at amazing discounts sometimes on Amazon. Otherwise, they are always above 700 rupees, especially these bigger ones. I love these so much. They do not tingle. They do not make your underarms dark. These are probably the best deodorants you can find. I keep on spending my money on them and I repurchase them because I love them so much. This is probably the only brand that I trust when it comes to underarm deodorants because I directly apply it even post shaving. So yeah, this one is the Dove Ultimate Water-Based Glycerine one. You have a couple of variants in these. Difficult to find in India, but Amazon makes it accessible, so that's great. So I freaking love these ones. And is this random hand cream. This is the Intensive Care Healthy Hands Stronger Nails. It's more like a hand and nail cream from Vaseline. Again, not from India, but a really good product. I really like the smell of it. Very soft and kind of like a talcum powder smell. This retails for 300 rupees and I love it. You can use your regular Vaseline as well, but I'm a little extra and I wanted something like this. So yeah, I had shared this with you guys in my other videos as well, and this is something that I would really like to repurchase, but I want their other variants which are available, but I'm not able to find them on the Amazon app. But this is the one that you can find as of now. I've got this Pond's 3D Filter Shimmer Powder. It's like a Korean Glow Translucent Facial Powder. It's a mini tub. Again, you cannot find it in India. If you're traveling to Thailand or Malaysia, you can pick it up. Actually, this is from Thailand. When my dad was traveling, I had asked him to get this for me. But guys, you can find it on Amazon. It is slightly expensive compared to what you would pay in Thailand, but this is such a nice powder. It's like a perfect finely milled glow powder you can use on an everyday basis. Again, it's pretty affordable compared to other powders available. So yeah, you should get your hands on this. They have a couple of variants in them in case you want to try that out. But this one is the Haya Glow Korean Glow sort of a talcum powder, which is not disappointing at all by Pond's. Again, I don't know why Pond's India is not launching these good ones over here. Last two finds are like the most cherished ones. I almost didn't want to give it to you guys, but I was like, okay Himani, let's just share, and you can see my excitement. Let me share with these amazing perfume finds. I had legit gone crazy when they got delivered and I smelled them and I'm like, oh my god. By the way guys, these are just for 699 rupees and these are great. So this is from the brand called Baron Sweet. These are like made in France perfumes. These are more like your gourmand bakery style perfumes, just exactly what Paris or France is all about. Your croissant, your Nutella. So yeah, they have a couple of variants. They have raspberry, they have pina colada, etc. But I picked up these two. So I actually ordered first this one and then I loved it so much I ordered this one. So first I have is the Baron Sweet Vanilla Caramel Eau de Parfum. Okay, the bottle is pretty simple, but it smells decadent. It smells so out of the world. Wow, it's like a true, caramel. I'm just gonna spray. It's a true caramel scent. Look at the bottle, it's so cute. It's like a typical old tel wala bottle types, but it's so good. I can smell it now. Guys, do get your hands on this one. It's so difficult. It's like a rare find, but I love this. Get your hands on this one, and also it lasts pretty good for like 2-3 hours, so I'm really happy with this purchase. It's got the notes of vanilla, caramel, love it. So this was the first find, and the second one that I got from the same brand is Coco Soleil. It's Coco Soleil. So this one is more like an aquatic fresh. So I was expecting it to be more coconutty like I have from the Angel Theory Mugler. But this one is so nostalgic because it reminds me of your old Parachute coconut oil. Exactly like that. You know your Parachute jasmine oil? This is the scent. If you really like the Parachute jasmine oil, you should get your hands on this one because this is exactly how it smells. I remember when I was small and I used to go to my cousin's place, she used to love the Parachute jasmine oil, and even I used to use the same hair oil at her place. This smells exactly like that. And it's so nice and so fresh, great for your beach days. It's going to keep you like fresh at the same time that jasmine is going to make you feel girly. So this is the scent to perfectly describe it, and if you want it, you should definitely get your hands on these ones. So these were some amazing perfume finds. Coming to my last find is actually this bag. Now I love Zouk bags. I've been using Zouk bags for the last 3 years now continuously, and I'm so grateful that Zouk sends me those bags to review. But I really wanted something apart from my Zouk collection, something that's more like me. I do love Zouk, I've been using it regularly, but I wanted something that is more chic, and I found this on Amazon, and I was like, okay. Then I realized, of course, it's a big brand. They have like their own website and all. It's from this brand called SK, and guys, this is such a cute bag. It is expensive, I'm not gonna lie. Compared to the Zouk bags on all, it is expensive, but it was worth buying this bag. It's a tote bag. Like, I cannot live without having a tote bag in my life. Just look at this bag. It's so beautiful. They have 2-3 color options in them, but I risked my life and bought a white color bag. It's an off-white cream color, and it's perfect. It also has it of course has your carry-ons, but it also has a long strap to attach it. It's got a laptop holder. It's spacious. It's just perfect. It retails for 8,500, but you can easily find it for like 5,000 to 6,000 on Amazon. Even on the website, you can find it for 5,000 to 6,000. So that's a great deal. If you're looking for like some classic business tote bag or a chic bag, get your hands on this one. It's going to be great for traveling as well because it's got the luggage carry-on strap, so you can put it up. I am so happy with this purchase. Unfortunately, I cannot use it right now because monsoons are here, and I do not want this amazing bag to get ruined. But once the monsoons are over, I'm going to start using it because just look at this bag. Like, I'm so happy. So guys, those were my random amazing Amazon finds. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'll leave the links to all of these products below, so do check them out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.